Okay, let's begin. So this is a word drawing where we will be writing unicorn and drawing unicorn. So let's start from the left side of our sheet. Put your sheet in the landscape, this kind of this frame. Okay, don't keep it the other way. It should be like this. And let's write U. So in between the middle of our sheet, so this is the gap and this is the gap. Okay, we will be using this part to write our spelling. All right, don't write anything here, don't write anything here. So let's begin. So we will be writing from here. Let's write U. So there should be this gap also. Don't write here. Yahan nahi likhna because we need some gap. We need some gap over here. Okay, so where should I start writing U? I will start writing. We'll give some gap and I will write from here. Okay, where my dot is. All right. So let's write U. Neatly, slowly, not in a hurry. Okay, then give some space, this much space after U, and let's write N. Okay, now this is very interesting. When you write a word and when you turn that word into the picture of the same word, this is something very interesting. Even you should try it for other things. Unicorn. Now I, we will write next is I. So write down I and
मैम
yes.
मैम मैंने ये यूनिकॉर्न वाली ड्राइंग इससे ना ये राइट करके ना क्यों
Oh, very good. Okay, so then it will be C. So equal distance between all the words. Okay, all the letters. Sorry. So don't write them very close. Just check the distance between should be there everywhere. Okay, now C. And I'm not writing up and down. Look at the size of my letters. They're all same. No letter is bigger than the other one. All are same size. So you also try to do that. And then O. Yes. Is anybody calling me? I just heard ma'am. O and then again R. Okay, this is how you'll write R. Just follow. The formation should be just like this. And then it should be N. Unicorn. N. So N also here. All right. So I've written my unicorn. Now, this is easy. First step. Yes, Prithvi.
I have more space.
You have more space? That's okay. That's okay. No problems. It's okay. Just leave it. Okay. So now, is everybody done? Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's start with our letter U. So what do we have to do with our letter U? Let's start. Bacha, who is it? Prithvi, or sound is very less, so I can't understand if you are saying something. Okay, I think fine. So let's start. Here we will be making this small curve. Okay, did you see the curve that I just made on you? Make that curve.
Ma'am,
Yes, Kabir.
that will be the eyes.
Oh, do you think that would be the eyes? Okay, let's see what is.
Ma'am, this is the mouth of unicorn.
Yeah. So Wani says this is going to be the mouth of unicorn. Wani is correct. Okay, now from here, just make a little slanting line and take it up. Yes, beta?
And then, okay, so C and O will be the eyes.
Okay, let's see what is C and O going to be. Okay. This is really good that you are imagining. This is very good. And just make this line from here, and from this another end, make a curved line like this. This should be the curved one. Okay. So how did I make this line? This is a curved line. Curved like this. All right. So this one is little slanting and this one is curvy. Now over here, draw another curvy line and make the eyelashes. Okay. So what is this? This is the eye of the unicorn. This is the nostril. All right, that we had drawn here is the nostril of unicorn. Okay, now are we all done till here? Yes, Sahana, Prithvi, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Here. All right. Okay, now we will draw the, unicorns are white in color and they have colorful hair, multicolored hair, and they look so beautiful. So they have hair on the head. Okay, so we will first draw that. So somewhere above the eye, let's just mark our point. Okay, so this we will come from the first point. We will just go up straight with our pencil.
Ma'am, they have a corn also.
Yeah, they have a horn also. So from here, we'll draw a tiny ear first. This like a leaf kind of shape, okay? And a curvy line in between, like this. Do this. So this is the ear. And from this point of the ear, we have to make a curvy line, which is going to show the hair on the unicorn's head. And then we'll go back to the ear and we'll touch this part. All right. Yes. So anybody wants to ask something can unmute and ask me.
Yes, ma'am. I have made My Little Pony characters.
Pony characters. You draw a lot, I know, Vani. You have become a star in drawing, huh? Okay, now the horn. Let's draw the horn. So a unicorn's horn, we have to start making horn from the head like this and turn it and come back and join over the head, and this is the horn. Now the horn can be a little wider also. You can mark a point over here and just make a slanting line which is coming down and touching the head, because we have to make some lines in between as well, right? So this is how, coming down and touching the head, and little wider. If you want to make, you can make it a little wider like this and make 2 lines in between, 2 or 3, but should not be very close to each other. It should be little, there should be the distance, and the distance should be equal.
Ma'am, and the unicorns, ma'am, and unicorn have wings also.
Yes, and unicorns are not real, but they are in the stories, and kids like unicorns a lot. Sahana, what happened? Sahana says yes, ma'am. Okay, Sahana. All right, now let's come back to this point, this curved line that we had drawn, starting from the U and going up. So from here, you just have to come down slightly near my letter N and make a line like this. Okay, this line. That's it. Just make this line and leave it over here.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, Sahana, tell me. What do you want to tell me? Sahana, your voice is cracking, beta. I can't understand. What did you say?
No, ma'am.
Again, it cracked. Type it in the box. I'll read it, Sahana. I think you're enjoying typing in the chat box. Okay. Okay, so now from here, from the ear, come to the ears now, everybody, and see, you have to be very neat when you draw. All right. So if you are putting a lot of pressure on your pencil, drawings will not come very neatly. You have to keep your hand little free when you're moving your pencil. Your hand should not put a lot of pressure on paper, and there should be no impressions on the next sheet. So don't put a lot of pressure. Now come here, and with this line, now see, I'll just first draw in the air and show you. This is how we are going to come. This is how we'll make a curve over here, and then we'll come and touch this point of N. All right. So let me draw now. Follow me. Starting from here. Okay, cross. You have to cross this portion of N. So come here. All right. And then make a wave, make a curve, smooth curve, come down and touch this part of N. All right, do this. Yes, Sahana, you can make it better. And then once this is done, let me do it one more time. This smooth curve, come down and touch anywhere on N. So this gap we have to fill. If this gap is there, just fill it up. Okay.
Ma'am, I have doubt now.
Yes, ask me, Bhairav.
No, how do the unicorns were found?
How do the unicorns
Were found.
were found? I will find that very soon and I will give you the answer. Actually, all these are imaginary characters, Bhairav. Like you, do you see those Supermans and those superheroes like Captain America and all those Superman and everyone? So they are not real, right? Somebody has just imagined them, drawn them, made cartoons on them. So they are famous. They made movies on them. Similarly, unicorn is someone's imagination. Somebody imagined it, had made some cartoon over it, and had made some movies over it. So unicorn became famous. But I will find out that who had made it. Okay, then I'll let you know. So now after this, we'll come to the bottom of this N and we'll make this curve, this thing. Yes, Fani, you want to say something?
मैम वो हाथ गलती से ऊपर हो गया था.
अच्छा, कोई बात नहीं. चलिए, ये किया हमने, ये curve बनाया. We had made this curve. Now we'll come to the top again, this part, and then from here, now we have to show this wave again. How? We'll come down. We'll make बिल्कुल I के पास से होते हुए. Look at this letter I. We will come near this letter I with a curvy line. Okay, we will touch the bottom of N. All right, and then we'll make a pointy tail like this. Now tell me if you want me to repeat this. If you want me to repeat, anybody, let me know. I will repeat the step. If everyone's done, then we will move ahead. Okay, is everybody done? Should I repeat?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I repeat or no? No, ma'am. No repeat, no repetition. None. Okay, I think everyone's done. Good job. Okay, now let's decorate this part a little more. So for that, what are we going to do? We have to now come to the ear again and make a curved line over here. Okay, these are the hair. We are going to decorate them a little more. Or just a second. Don't join this curve. Just start and stop and leave some gap. This gap, okay? Just leave some gap.
Yeah.
And when you will be making the next curve, you will start from here. This is the point. And then make one more curve and come and stop here. Okay, these are the two curves that we have to show. Then you just can, in between this part, make some more curves like this. 1 and 2. Okay, now see, my U is gone, my N is gone. My U is also hidden now, my N is also hidden now. So from N, what did we do? We had made the hair from N, and from U, we had made the mouth. Okay, now let's move further. Now, how are we going to cover our eye? Now, what are we going to do with our eye? We are going to make more hair. more, this will cover our eye with more hair. Okay, so how are we going to do that? See, this is my eye. Everybody come to letter I now. All right, so the bottom of eye, make it curvy again like this. Make it curvy. Join back to anywhere over here. Okay, am I too fast? Let me know if you want me to stop anywhere. Okay, now this. Now what is the next step? Then again, come to this part, the hair part that we had drawn. Make another curve, come and touch this point and just join it anywhere. Okay, now the eye is also gone. All right, so in between here also you can make some curves, 1 and 2. Even over here you can make 1 and 2, some curves. Later we will fill multicolors over here. All right, now let's move to C. Everybody done? Kabir, are you done? Prithvi, Sahana. If you'll give me a heads up, then only I will draw further. If you want me to stop, let me know. If you want to ask me to, if you want me to draw anything, repeat any step, let me know that also. Now, the most difficult part of this unicorn is drawn. It's done. Now it's very easy. Rest of the things are very, very, very easy. It's just that we have to draw the body, the tail, and the legs, and it's very easy. So shall I go ahead? Okay. All right. Thumbs up. Shall I draw further? All right. Okay. So now let's come to this curved part where my cursor is, where my pencil is. And from here, now first I'll draw just like that to show you that we have to go to R and touch somewhere here on this point of R. So यहाँ से हम start करेंगे. This will be a little curvy line, but then it will be a little straight. It will go straight, and then it will again turn down, and you have to join over here. Okay, do this. All right, after doing this, you remember this line which we had drawn over here, this line. Let's come here. Let's come to the bottom of this line where we had ended it, and this is from here we will be drawing the leg. So little curvy to the right side, come down and just stop over here. Draw one more line with a little gap, some gap, this much gap. Okay, this, we are making the lower body ready now. We will make the rest of it later, but just first draw this part, and then from here draw the tummy of the unicorn. Okay, you just have to take this line near O, जहाँ पे O है उसके पास लेके जाना है, and just stop. Okay, now this is also not straight line. See, this is not straight. This is little slightly curvy from the starting. In between it is straight, and then when it is ending it is curvy again. So drawing, when we are drawing animals, human figures, and we have to analyze that the lines should not look very straight, because everywhere there are curves in the body. So we have to draw accordingly. Okay. So now, once this is done, let's complete this leg now. Just come down from here. Down, down, straight. Okay. Join it at the bottom. Make the foot like this. And this unicorn is walking, or so the another leg that we will show, the front leg, we will draw a slanting line out from here, little curvy, going in like this, and leave some gap. Don't touch it, leave some little gap. And from here, another slanting line, going back. Now here we will show this foot like this. Okay, like this. Now this is overlapping. Okay, so show me a thumbs up if you all are done till here, or so then only I'll draw further. Okay, Vani's done. Bhairav, Sahana, Kabir, Prithvi, if you're done, let me know. I'll move further. Okay, I can see thumbs up of Bhairav. I can see thumbs up of Sahana. Very good, Prithvi. Great. So how many of you have seen any unicorn cartoons, or you have unicorn toys, or anybody, anyone? Sahana, have you seen something? Some unicorn cartoon? You are on mute, Sahana. You have to unmute. Yeah. Oh, you have unicorn and pony toy. All right. So Kabir, do you have any unicorn stuff with you? No? Okay. How about Vani? Vani must be having some unicorn. No? No unicorn? Unicorn diaries, unicorn pens? No? All right. No worries. But unicorns are beautiful. I should say that.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhairav?
ma'am, my friend likes so much of unicorn.
Your friend saw a unicorn.
No, ma'am, she like a lot
Oh,
of.
he like unicorns. Okay, okay. Now let's draw the yes, bacha. Kabir, what are you saying, Kabir? Acha, you have a unicorn pouch. Yeah, see, I told you even boys can have unicorn stuff. That's nothing like it is only for girls. Yes, Sahana, very good. See, Sahana's unicorn soft toy, so sweet, so cute. Very good. Just looking like the unicorn that we are drawing, right? Okay. Now let's draw the rest of the legs, 2 legs at the back. Okay. So how are we going to do that? We are going to go to the bottom of letter R. And Prithvi, I think your mic, you're trying to say something. I can't hear you properly. It's cracking a lot. Okay, let's start from here. Let's draw first, then I'll ask you some questions. So come now. Give it a little turn to the left side. Okay. And just a curve very slowly and go down and stop. Okay, do this. And from here, from this line which we had stopped near this O, make a line again. Make a curved line again to show the leg. This. Okay, and then along with the first line, come down and join at the bottom and make this rectangle for the foot. Now the another leg is overlapping the first one. So, yes, Prithvi, you saying something?
No, ma'am.
Acha, okay, I thought you're saying something. Okay, so now from here, we are going to make another line which is going to follow the first one. Okay, and another line which is going to follow the first one. And this is our fourth leg of the unicorn. Okay, now any guesses that what are we going to do with this leftover R and N? It's very tail. Yes, very good, Sana. Yes, we are going to make the tail out of this. So now how are we going to make tail of this? Any ideas? How are we going to connect and how are we going to turn this into the tail? You should always think that how is this possible? How can I make tail from this letter R and N? So let's begin. Now I have this curve which is left over, okay, but I will not use this right now. So what will I do? Somewhere from here, I will start drawing and I will go and touch this curved part of N and blend it with this line. Okay. And now this curve which is left over, What should I do with this? And this over here, you also have to make a curve at the bottom. Okay, make a curve at the bottom of this line of letter N. And this line, slight, nice, neat curve, go and touch over here. Okay, now the outer shape of the tail is ready. The outer shape of the tail is ready. Now, how are we going to do the rest of the part? So that is, this N is also hidden. So, okay, let me tell you now. So from here, we will make this line, okay? Make some lines, touch it over here and take it to this corner. Now the N is also hidden. So just make some more curves, 1 and 2. Okay, just like the way we did here in on the hair which are on the neck. So similarly, 1 and 2 and 3, and you can make one more here. So okay, this is done now. Tail is also done. Now what letters do we have left on the body? What? E and O. Yes, what should we do with these now? How should we use this now? Because our unicorn is ready, but we cannot erase them. Can we erase them? We have to use all the letters, no? So let's make moon out of this. Moon. All right. And make a planet out of this. Just make a planet like this. Planet. And make 3 stars. 1 or 3 or 4, how as many stars. Like no, not more than 5. Minimum 3. And this. Now my C is also gone. And my O is also gone. And my unicorn's drawing is ready. So now where are the letters gone? Who would know that? If you will show this drawing to anybody, would anybody be able to guess? Nobody. Okay, now unicorns usually are white because they are as white as snow, pure white. Only the hair which they have on the body are colorful. Okay, so the colors that we can use. Now first that you have drawn, you will trace your unicorns. All right, now this is our drawing is done. You can draw something at the in the ground, like they are on some fantasy land. So draw something which comes to your mind thinking of a unicorn. You can draw a background where there are more stars at the background, or this you can draw that. If you want to add wings to your unicorn, you can do that also. You can show that your unicorn is flying in the sky. That also you can do. You can show a grassland. You can show anything, whatever background comes to your mind. Or you can just simply use your green colored crayon, right? And you can just draw the hills with your green color itself. Okay. Some hills below that your unicorn is walking over the hills. And whatever background comes to your mind, some falling stars or some zigzag lines, you can do that. Okay. Okay, so what, see, you can draw this kind of zigzag. Let me show you how can the background, because this is something which is in the dreams or which is a fantasy, which is not real. So you can draw some zigzags, lines behind, but it should be done very, very neatly. Okay, background, and you can draw a star at the bottom or a ball or a star, and you can show such 4 or 5 lines behind which are colorful, can be directly drawn with through a crayon. Okay, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag lines coming down from here, and there is a star at the bottom. So this is just an idea to give you, because unicorn, yes beta,
I found a letter. See, ma'am.
you found a letter. Which letter?
Unicorn letter.
Okay, you can find out the unicorn letters.
Yes.
Yes, because you have drawn it, so you know where are the letters, no? But if you will ask your friends, they will not be able to tell you where is N, where is all the other letters. Okay, only we know because we have drawn it. So this is how you can draw some lines in the background. So this directly can be done using your crayons or sketch pens. Later you can fill some more colors if you want. Yes. And I will just fill the colors to show you that how can the hair part be colored, because rest of the drawing will not have any colors. So I am going to fill the colors. You can first trace your drawing and you can then uh, after that you will start filling the colors. So whatever colors you choose, those should be bright and very, very, very colorful, very, very attractive colors you have to choose for unicorn. Okay, so what are the attractive colors? The horn can be golden. So for golden you can use yellow. Anybody is saying something? Today I feel that you are saying something, but I'm not able to listen. Who is some background noise comes out from someone's? I think it's Prithvi's mic. Prithvi, whenever you would like to say something, unmute yourself. Okay, otherwise keep yourself on mute.
There's no sound on my side.
I don't know. There's something is there. Chalo, okay. Let's see. All right. So golden color for the horn. And let's start. I'm starting to fill color. So light blue and bright blue color we can use for the hair. So if you are doing one line of this blue, then next you can use the pink color. Okay, multicolored hair, pink and blue. So same shades we have to show. One, two, here. Okay, like this. So I'm using my pink color first everywhere, then I will pick my blue color and I'll do it later. This, this, this. See how am I using my pink color first? So as I don't have to change the color again and again, and then I'm taking my blue color and I'm using it now. Blue and blue here. Very, very neatly. You have to be very, very neat with your drawing and super neat with your coloring. Most important three parts: drawing, tracing, coloring. Everything has equal importance when we are drawing. Okay, so also if you feel very tired, never do coloring when you are very tired. You can leave it for then and you can start later sometime when you feel better and refreshed. Because if you will do it in hurry, then all your hard work goes waste, which is not a good thing. You have given so much of hard work, you're putting so much of your efforts into the drawing, and if you are spoiling it, then it's so sad, right? And I know that you all have become so good at your coloring now that I don't even ask you and tell you, but sometimes I have to repeat the things. Okay, so see now how are the hair looking on the neck of unicorn? I have just used two colors over here. I've just used blue and pink. You can even add green, light green. You can make a combination of green, orange also. You can use other colors also. Okay, so I will follow the same two colors for the tail as well, because I've already done these over here. So I'll follow the same pattern for the tail, multicolored tail. So see, look how am I just using my blue color first everywhere. I'm using my blue color first and then I will just start using my pink color after that, so that I don't have to change the color again and again and again, and I'm done with my one color. Then I'll simply pick up my another color and I'll start filling colors.
Ma'am,
Yes, Prithvi?
see my drawing.
Just a second, let me see. Show. Wow, this is good. Lift it up a little. Very good, Prithvi. I must say, superb. Now start filling colors. I can see moons and stars on the top as well.
It is the night time. Ma'am. Ma'am. See.
Vani, your mic, your camera is off. Bete, I cannot see anything, bacha. Yes, now it's on. Very good. Oh, all right. So you have drawn a hut behind, and your unicorn has wings. Beautiful. Very good, Vani. Awesome. Even you can write something about
Ma'am, and it has, yes, ma'am, and it has also a crown.
Yes, I noticed that even the crown, beautiful. The crown looks like the shape of lotus flower to me. It's nice. It's very good. Now, if you can think of your unicorn's name, you can write that also, Vani. Add on more things, a background to your drawing if you want. Okay, it will look nice, like a background that I have made. You can just think of something else, or you can just draw it same like I have done. All right, so see, now my colors in the tail and the hair are done. I will not color unicorn's body. So I'll just color these part of legs purple. And I can color the hills. And I can use a different color for the background.
Wings, sir?
Yes, Kabir, did you say something better?
Ma'am, can I show my drawing?
Yes, I would love to see. Show. Bhairav, I can just see you. I can't see your drawing. You have to turn the camera that way. Yeah. Yes, now I can see. Okay, I can see the face. Can you shift to the right side a little? Right, not left, right side. Move your device to the right side. You're moving it on the other direction. Move it on the other way. I can see the yeah, yes. I think you have drawn very nice picture, Bhairav, but still I can't see it complete. I can see only the face, but it's coming out very nice. So can you now start tracing it? Wonderful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Welcome. Sahana, you also show me what have you drawn so far? Wow, look at Sahana's unicorn, the designer unicorn. Beautiful, Sahana. This is so nice. Okay, now see, just the coloring part is very less in this picture. You just have to color the hair, but whatever colors you are doing, those should be bright and should look neat and beautiful and pretty, okay? So you can even write something for your unicorn. You can give it a name, all right? Something like that. And in the hills that I have drawn, I can color it green. And the background, you can choose a different color other than the colors which you've chosen for our hair, and you can put it in the background also. Like which color I can put in the background? I can use yellow because I haven't taken yellow color anywhere. So whenever you are coloring, this is how you will color. Your strokes should look neat. Neat, 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 straight, one direction only. And if you will color your background with a different, yes, beta. Yes, Prithvi. Sahana, Sahana, yes, tell me, beta.
In my drawing,
Sahana, bache, your mic has a little trouble today. Your sound is not clear to me at all.
It's raining here, that's why, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe because it's raining, so the network is not stable, no?
Trouble.
Yeah. So see, now I have taken yellow color to do in the background because yellow is color which is not just only I have taken it in the moon. So it's nicely visible and it's light and bright color, and it is going to highlight my drawing of unicorn. It is going to highlight the picture of unicorn which I had drawn. Now think of something about your unicorn, add on a name. If your unicorn is saying a dialogue, write it down. If your unicorn is thinking of something, make a thought bubble. Yes, bacha.
मैम मैंने अपने यूनिकॉर्न का नाम पिंकी पाई रखा है.
क्या रखा है? Cutie pie.
Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie pie. Oh, this is a nice one. Pinkie pie. Because it's pink and purple and light colors all over, right? So see, yellow bright color is giving so much grace to the drawing. It's looking beautiful. Look at the way I'm moving my color in one direction only. It gives neatness. It brings it makes your pictures look very, very bright and nice and neat and tidy, and everybody would say, wow. Yes, Prithvi.
My unicorn name is Rainbow Bee.
Rainbow Bee. Okay, that's also very nice and relatable name. I should say that you all have become so creative. You all are thinking of the names which are relatable. So Pinkie Pie means a pink colored unicorn. A rainbow means a multicolored unicorn. Beautiful. Very good. Okay, now I will be I'll stop sharing my screen and I will have a look at what all you have done so far. Okay, so I'll put a one by one on spotlight. Let's start with Vani. Vani, can you show everybody how is your unicorn looking? Can you show everyone how is your unicorn looking, Vani? Lift up. Very good. Okay, so you have drawn an open eye. Very nice. Very good, Vani. Good job. Okay, now I will ask Prithvi. Prithvi, can you lift up your drawing and show what have you drawn so far, Prithvi, filling colors? Wow. Nice. Very good, Prithvi. Okay, so slowly fill. Don't fill the same color below. Use some other multicolor, okay? Sahana, you show us now. Sahana has done the outlining. So pretty and cute, and hearts also you have made. Very nice. Beautiful, Sahana. Wonderful. Okay, let me ask Kabir now. Kabir. 1 second. Let me put you. Wow. Beautina.
Beautina. The name is Beautina and it has wings.
It has wings. Very nice. And Beautina is such a relatable name again. Beautina means a beautiful unicorn, right?
Yes.
So amazing. And is that a huge tree on the right side?
Yes, that's a candy tree.
Candy tree. I was about to say that. Wonderful, beautiful, very nice, Kabir. And I like the stones and grass also at the bottom.
Thank you, ma'am.
Most welcome. Okay, let's see Bhairav's now. Bhairav, can you lift up like this and show it to us? If you
Yes, ma'am.
Show it to me. Oh, wow. Now you have filled colors and it is looking so nice. But Bhairav, your unicorn is all alone on the paper. So can you draw some grass and some land for your unicorn and some clouds above? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, for the horn, I first I put yellow and I put mixed with golden and it should be golden mixed.
Yeah,
Yellow
this is
and
looking
golden
good.
makes
It's
golden.
looking good. It is looking just like golden color only. Beautiful, very good. I'm so happy to see all my creative artists. Wonderful. I would like to clap for all of you. Good job. Very good. And so finish it and send it to me. I will wait for your drawing. Meet you in the next week. Bye. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye Kabir. Bye Bhairav. Bye Prithvi. Bye Sahana.
Bye,
And
ma'am.
bye Wani. Good night.